Hello darlings, welcome back to the channel. A few minor changes. One, I now require these spectacles because apparently my eyesight just crashed and burned. My hair is no longer dreaded. Had a mini breakdown over that, a little bit. Ended up trying to cut them myself. Cut them so uneven and short, I told Chad, just shave it all off. Thankfully, he did not let me shave it, and he tried to save it, and he did. And I'm just like, it's been a journey. So today's video is about our two-piece corner piece, and it's a bat, beautiful purple bat, and her reflection is divine, and she hangs on this clear branch, and she swings in the wind, and I just love her. So I filmed the whole process. I actually have a lot of stuff filmed. I just gotta figure out how to edit. So be patient with me. It is a journey. I'm trying to figure it out. So anyway, without further ado, let's get on with the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, okay? Your girl needs all the help she can get. Okay, let's go. Bye-bye. Man. I just washed this. Alright guys, so here is my bat. I really like to hand draw all my pieces because it just gives it more of like my artistic style, you know. I like my pieces to not look symmetrical. Obviously, if you're doing like a bat or a butterfly or something that has, you know, two halves to it, usually you make them, you can just copy your pattern, flip it over, have it look exactly the same. It makes things quite easier, you know, if I was to do that, but I actually draw it so nothing's ever symmetrical. And I like the piece in the end, you know, to look like it was drawn, like in glass. So that's why I get that question a lot, like, oh, why don't you just make this piece, then you can just draw two of these and flip them and it would make life a lot easier. But I really like that look, you know, of drawing it, and I like it to look like my drawing. I think it's important, you know, to kind of find your style in your work, and everyone has different styles, and this is just kind of how I have mine. So that is what I do. So with this piece, it's two different pieces in one. I have the branch, which is actually the corner piece, and this is going to have a lot of wire work to make it look like the grain, but also to help keep the supports. So essentially, if the bat was hanging on this and this is just foil, then I just wouldn't have that sturdiness. So what I do is I take my wire work and I put it down here and then up here, so it's got more to pull on, if you know what I'm saying. So it's decorative, but it also comes with a purpose. And then my cute little bat, she's an Amethyst Bat, so I designed her to have purple wings and a little black cute fuzzy body. And for the branch, I do clear branches, and I usually do them with all different textures. So like when you order from my shop, the branches are always different. They're just kind of always fun. It makes every piece like unique, and that's what I'm gonna do. So let's get going. For the branch today, I have other branches cut out that I'll end up showing you guys, but this is a really pretty, like, subtle ripply glass, and then with the wire work it's gonna look really cool. The wire work just gives like so much detail. Okay, and then her body is with this beautiful, I hope you guys can see, it is a gorgeous purple glass, and it has like this kind of this almost looks like a drizzle all over it. It's really cool. And then her body is this like charcoal translucent glass, which has a really pretty texture as well.